The Campus Spotlight is brought to you by Student and Academic Support Services at the George Washington University.
Welcome back to the Carl House Show. I'm Ron Harris, and the Campus Spotlight shines brightly this week on Jason Wilson, the Assistant Athletic Director in charge of facilities at the Smith Center. Jason, welcome to the Carl Hobbs Show.
Ron, thank you very much. I'm excited, humbled. It's truly a blessing to be here with the big guy.
But I tell you, everything goes through you with the any activities at the Smith Center. Explain exactly what your duties cover.
Well, I wouldn't say everything goes through me, but I do get to kind of oversee all the game management of the day-to-day operations and events. And we're sort of, me and my team, I have a great team assembled, and we get to work with everyone involved with the events, from the coaching staff to the marketing staff, sports communication, security, medical, all the things. And we just sort of try to coordinate it and bring it all together to ensure a very good atmosphere for the fans, and so they enjoy themselves.
Well, the Smith Center is an outstanding place to play. I'm sure Carl would agree. But the renovations that have taken place in these last couple of years, I think you completed 2 phases.
Yes, that's correct.
Tell us what we got going on.
I think you hit on probably one of the most exciting topics I love to talk about, the renovation of the Charles E. Smith Center. It's probably the most exciting thing that happened in the Smith Center other than when it opened in 1975. We're in the midst of a multi-year 3-phase project. We just completed phase 2, as you mentioned, and it included a lot of things you've shown here on the show. The arena got a new court, it got new seating, new balcony seats, premium seats, a new courtside club, the Colonials Club, which caters to our most loyal and dedicated GW fans. New lighting. If you've been to a game, you get to see the dramatic type of introductions we do for the team to get the fans and the team excited. And also a renovation of the pre-existing Athletic Directors Club. And as well, we renovated the entire first level, which included all the locker rooms, the natatorium, expanded the sports medicine area by 3 times, doubled the weight room, expanded the fitness center, and probably one of the most exciting parts was the academic center. And the academic center is, President Knapp will tell you, when he first got to campus, he got a chance to meet with Coach Hobbs, and he always tells a story about, he was asking him what he needed. And the first thing that Coach Hobbs said was he needed an improved academic situation for the athletes. And that's something President Knapp and I know Coach Hobbs take a lot of pride in.
And Coach, when you bring recruits in, it's a beautiful building to walk them through, isn't it?
Without question. The renovations have been outstanding. We really think that it's going to help us, without question, in our ability to attract student athletes to GW. Not only for just basketball, but for our entire athletic department, for all the sports. I think we're all going to benefit from it. Jason didn't mention the super job they did on our locker room, which is fantastic and great. And he touched on the Academic Support Center. And President Knapp, who's been truly outstanding. I mean, he has really embraced the academics along with the sports at GW. And he spearheaded the whole thing in terms of that Academic Support Center. And so we're really excited, and we really think that it's going to lead the charge, and it's going to set a whole new precedent with us in our recruiting efforts.
Jason, describe phase 3, which will be out on 22nd Street,
Absolutely.
which is the face of the building that you see when you come in. What's that going to look like?
Yeah, well, there's a little bit more. There's the entire exterior facade. There's also the box office and all the entry and exit points, a new concessions concourse. And I tell you, in one word, once this is done, it's transformational. And I'm really excited. It's going to start phase 3 will start in a couple weeks. And the real difficult part, we get 3 months each summer because we got to keep going. It's an occupied renovation, and we try not to disrupt too many things that are going on, whether it's day-to-day or commencement, university events. So that should be happening in the next few weeks. As people come down, they'll see scaffolding up around the building.
So we can look for that phase 3 to be done by the fall of 2010?
Significant completion will be completed by September. And then there'll be some lingering things that projects of this magnitude always have that linger on, but majority will be done by the time we start hooping it up again in September.
Well, Jason, good luck on all of that work at the Smith Center and your job as assistant AD. And Coach, this is our last show, so appreciate everything this week, and good luck for the rest of the games, and good luck to you down the way.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us this year on the Carl Hobbs Show. I'm Ron Harris. Thanks to all of our sponsors, especially the ESPN Zone restaurant down here in Washington, D.C. We'll see you next year.